Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the perimeter of a sector is 16.2. That means this radius plus this radius plus this is 16.2. The next thing also that I would like to highlight is that I'm going to let R be the radius, and next thing also would be that this arc length, this red color arc length, since the angle, they actually give me in radian, 1.24 radian here. That means this angle and radius is R. You will then see this arc length here. This is the red color arc length. You will then see Mr. Tan using R multiplying by 1.24 radian, and therefore this one will be equal to 1.24 R, which you will see in the working later on. I have my radius, and I have my arc length. So my arc length is 1.24 R. This is R plus R is 2R. So total 3.24 R, and after which 16.2 divided by 3.24, you will get the radius 5. And once I know 5, then all I have to do, I just need to apply the formula. Area of a sector is half times R squared times theta, when the theta is in radian, 1.24. Radius, we just found out, 5. So half times 5 squared times 1.24. And you will get the final answer, 15.5 cm squared. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.